Aitire wau rongonerwa parira tinukirwe mithangene cia eta antu beta ku ripoti berongo ya kidogo antu baidua ne baidua no tie ni njezi giwa ya atura ni rwe mwanka kwa tuka ukinyo tuko bo wirukire tweta kuthia tai ngombe ende bara tuna ngaru ya atura bara tiro kinyanjirene ba kinyauli ba choka ninge ba batwe thai ni utuko rukire ni tweta kuthia tai ngombe inge kodro inge Kenya inge twashuguli thirikari no tutie mutio utethi tukona kibatu ke thirikari no thirikari batu kire ugegodo tukona utethi kinyo tuku mwananchi atabati kuona thina yonthero ne tento bya kabieta ne thero atashugulikirwa
kuma uko njeci weta ngombe ri 0 kilomita 1 etani nyemwe we riu antu bau bareyere ba report berwa ngare kayeye ngare ri kuya bau athani thirire na riu bagua thani thirire rio ritathwa antu bau riu bagua bagathia ta ngombe rugire antu barame atia kuroba kuthwa barom no gaba kuthwa betete
kaitene kaun ni bakuromba patro yombe kwethire kithithika no na itha kenebi kenda ngombe icio itekethire yeta nonto ni bathange ketweko kaita kanene
nonto bau baraiya ngombe berine boni antu bebtini lakini mwanka mwicho bareyire kuiya ngombe na batikuona bau bathiata na ukithakeni na no bakwiro ni bakuonwa bakaringirwa ripoti kwa hivyo tutethio iromba yakwa ni batuyukiria tu ababwitha che patro nao berwa riu bakwirwa bai nao gwatuka bai patro bai tababolia kenda bateanga ichantu
bantu batura githakene bage rumbene bagarethia antu ange kwetwa amwero antu atharu batura renge bagila ni basanganya uguonda gwatuka kinyote muntu gomere kuria rwanda inyaga lugore ruo tu na wita ciotheri no tene nyambe sese kuri nyanko wata kuri orete thina ora uma kinye githakene watu kinya igore ruo teretua imathina yo yari ya Rwanda ri ruo ya kwanga isange kuronge koro ri ruo akisieta watu kanya no Rwanda rongo batena security kwa nonto nyako thira burage ndo gwethi bwa kwethia nonto teno weso
thirikari ne tuenge lokaria kithakene na umunde neto na uo no inyeto ino kuma ino anto beta kurema ngekuri sikengero na ngombe chetu ye twasuno ngombe rengi tukuromba thirikari ne tuegere security kothi ngombe tu nacio turithi boi atha kuzu anto batia rugiru barithi boya na miunde tuto ni meboya
tutukara yeka batu turi wananchi tukara yeka tu nyuma tushukulikirwa kwa romba yakwa ni kuromba thirikari buru na nne beto batuchukulikire nikenda twethira ngombe ntu itikuona mathina ya ntu yatukuona no batu twatiro theri uti muntu ngombe tio tikinyanja umuje ngombe kani na uno omwe yeka tetie ku
to baba kurethi bolelwe na into bitu na bibi olelu bionde thirikari twire kana twire kuremwa tutayari nyaba twira tutekombe manto yaba twanjiririo karinto bia tuengwa
boni ontoboko yerine ospindi John Yatiang wa Mutwati sub county
iko ngombe ilibiwa jana no recovery it was very late 6:30 in the evening so liboka ingia kwa laga but officers wameenda huko area waso kufunga huko
Kiripota Mero TV kuma Mutwati Gemenab beta mukiri onkonja
Tokyo mantere chegembe turinge kataroge tumwe ko twerekera mungage chukabunge kya Central Imentin ya bamwe bakari amwana atongoria kumage chukabunge kyoge Central Imentin bashumiriti na kuromba governor wa county ya Meru Reverend Motumanto Ithingia gutigira na kuthura dagitari Julius Mbijewe gutwika munini wa governor wa county ya Meru kuringana na tongere baba ruga Julius Mbijewe no mwa tongere barabadri tabari na kithomo gya kungana na ngurukine edritu agitango gikiri ntere mwanya shande guru ya Kenya na ari na agentokere kubatara gutwika munini wa governor wa county ya Meru
na baba mwe batongeria kumakiri gicigo mbunge ga Central Imenti na ndeni bakuromba governor Motumanto Ithingia kujukia daktari Julius Mbijewe jamunini wawe nikira bakuga kuma thirikari cha matura irambiria batona gitigi kinene ya kia governor kana munini wa governor
itu turari mau cha Ithingia aza Central Imenti na tuna general munene mono Dr. Julius Mbijewe. Kwa His Excellency Governor Esaki Motumanto Ithingia turenda gukuromba na gitio tu Central Imenti. Utujukiria mwana wetu Julius Mbijewe endipite Governor kenda amenya kutumenyera Kimiru yonthe.
Ndika nkaromba nontu general wetu no na ayo Central Imenti arari Dr. Mbijewe. Na raciumitie muno na kinye kundika Meru Don gikiambiria ibambite no babambiritie ndo mbere bakija kuthithia kinye kundi kiu na muntu na aciumitie muno akona mberu imwitune na araciika general mo obara batakira buru nontu baguciumiria na baguciumia murungu no atukinyiria koguo nkuromba his excellency the governor Mutumanto Ethinkia we consider bangi bonthe to consider bijewe ethero ari umwe wa running mate oku
kurukia tongeria baba ni bakuga Daktari Julius Mbijewe na kithomo kira gikwendeka kya ngugi iu na kuga njota yawe ya witi bwa ngugi ni thirite kioneka rira itite ngugi cia thirikari o amwe na kinyarire ari MCA ntere cia Mwanganthia
nontu itumwize performa imuntu mwega muno na imuntu utitikiria into bia miru binyango ou na imuntu twize straight forward ko atukuromba na winyia ora murungu arakugirirwe kiao his excellency the governor uria kwagiro tukiukira mbere okinyanira gitingi menyeka ketha kiakinyanira atukuromba bururi ou Mbije waranyiete na arari na bindi we kuthia mantu jau utujukiria we no tujukiria we batu century menti tuketha twi sawa
na itugwitikia uria tugunengera watujukiria wagategera miro tategera bothu guciagi
okay ojara mbugire mheshimiwa Mbijewe mbere ma imuntu buthomu imuntu wize mantu na kinyare ya MCA wa Mwanganthia aciumitie mono development nyiria ciraci nao na kire thirikari ira na thio yakathithia kinya budget ko imuntu performa imuntu twize akeja kujukia aka Mbijewe keja kuoneka miru aja imuntu mbakinya kubanga mantu ja miru na
bo bwe kenda bwe 10 atongeria baba ni bakuria Governor Ethinkia ethire agitegera gicigo mbunge giki na ritho rethaga jore President William Ruto ethirite agitegera Tharaka Nithi na ethira akijukia kithure kindi kija munini wawe kinyokeja kwithira ara umite gutina antu baba ingi
miru ni nene muno autote na batu indi tutegere na ritho rethaga tu century menti tora president Ruto arombere gutegera Kenya yonde na tutegera Tharaka Nithi atujukiria deputy president urugweta kithure kidiki angacokeria MCA betu Pamiru County tutwira no kithakene na twashibu gintu gikiega muno na twajukio nene kontu Ethinkia bategere na ritho rethaga MCAs na Meru Don ukambitigiria ndiguru nionto ibyo ritho ryaku
kiripotera Meru TV mbita Jeff Wagitumam tugategere mantu jege kithomo nere cukuru ijikene tala ikumuku ireri ndene ya wadi ya Kangeta nithirite gikurukira mathina kathomba thina ya mbere iri ati cukuru ijithirite na mwalimu umwake uria wandiki ni thirikari runguro rwangirwa TSC iginto kiria githomete kinya mathomo jethiro ja kiangaratana ndene ya cukuru ici iginto kibiri ni ati cukuru ici kinya tithirite kiwa baruga na nkuruki kwithirwa iri ki list ya imoche cukuru ira chikuonekana ntere ici ikiri list ira ithagirwa ikionanwa ni thirikari kagite no kau cukuru ici kinya nithiritwe ikiona kwithirwa itena aritwa bagweta na mbere na mathomo ndene yo kuringana na kariba ntere ici ni barombete na thirikari uri nkuruki atongere bara bonda barikite na kuthurwa na kinya antu bawendi wega gutigira ni bagutonyera nikenda gutigira cukuru ici ni gwita na mbere uragukubatara ni kuona arimu ni kuona aritwa na nkuruki nto binge begutetheria aritwa baba gwita na mbere na mathomo jao mukiri wa Koja ari no rubono
ndiye kipsea ala ikumukumu senta tunetekirite kubwithe kierika kipsea lakini anabara tobwitha cia nabo batwana kubwitha nabo kipsea tobaikire cukuru ra inge ikuraya twena kinyana bangire ndithiri thai currently batere stand non tuntu bombere kinya barenjestwa ari mubaraba bati kwando CBC totenabo ndeni ngwa stranded school ingwa acha kithankaritana PP1 PP2 kana grade 1 kana 2 kana 3
twena buru ni ari motote nae totenabo ende to weti ari mo na to aeti kinya ari mo mwari mo to andikite thai turi asiari itu inyeli kinya impara konto ko no to kinya asiari ba to kwandika batu to kiandika mwarimu ito kwacia thiringi kinya we kuria mwarimu nende to kauria atire to kuria mwarimu twana tu ete twana to etare tutiwe thine thinene ende ito kuromba rikarwe romba to tumero arimu
gire mwana okwo ethro high school ina maia high school ina mibwa high school irukiritwo kenda ntura yomba kwithirwa ikura no mwanka twambiririe na school nturete omba ukurete na antu bathomi bakareta maendeleo ndene nture thairana bakinya grade 3 baita skuru ingi bakakuria skuru ira ingi bachoka yau yangi tikera to babwithiria kieni nontu tuwa right mwe mwana no mwankethwa ena antu aya ya uchetha lakini achethera maiyene achethera mibwene na woka rinve na no kuona bru ira skuru ela ikumkum
ndia skuru yena mira kuma ena class 7 mwanka ko twika ina sare yake totia batu twa ibiru twe no rurubo nene muno nikyo ko utuma turomba atongeria betu muno tukiambirerie na bara twete kura tuthurite na kura cietu ni onto batu tute na uwezo ba kumenya registration ine failira ikyo tukuromba atongeria betu thai batu ibirwe kiao na baloelie skuru
sub location ira chionda ndaibo cha Kenya ene onka skuru ne onka sub location ndene Kenya itena chukuru kinyemwe na nene o chukuru ya mbere sub location ni ira tukuromba thirikari tuchugulikire twewe arimo tukubwithira registration certificate etauma kuma naire
tutagere ripoti ingi ora kwathira gugitinda na rwendene ya kaunti ya Meru ni aria akristo na nkuruki a Meru barani akristo ba kanisa ya Katholiki ni bethire bagikungwira na nkuruki gucemania ndene ya kieni gikinoru ndene ya kaunti ya Meru kire mambura acha gukungwira gukunurwa kwa bishop omweru wa diocese ya Meru bishop orawije Kenneth Jackson Murugara kuringana na akristo baba bakere nyuma ya bishop Murugara gukunurwa ni bethire tabagita rire gikeno kiao na kuga ati bare na witekio bishop Murugara kethirwa gitongere kanisa ya Katholiki na njere kubatara na muno gutongeria akristo barabara ndene ya diocese ya Meru bobo nibuge bwakari kagitene kana nyuma ya kwethirwa agikunurwa ta bishop
Urabari mbunge wa mwakuru wa mbere ya kaunti ya Meru na orane mwetekia munene wa kanisa ya Katholiki Florence Kajuju na wiriritwa bunene kwa muro kwa bishop umaro wa diocese ya Meru ya Catholic Jackson Murugara akiwa bari na wetekio na wenote nkarari kinyanini
mbeta wa Florence Kajuju na ndi mwekuru wa Catholic Women Association kana kia makia ekuru ba Catholic na ruareka tuwiritwe sana twekeni neke ya kinoru twekaribisha coadjutor bishop wetwa Jackson Murugara ora yete kanisa yetu in the diocese of Meru ora kethirwa bishop wetu rera bishop Salesius Mugambi akaritaya lakini mwankatha iba kuritaniria ngoge amwe na atukuirwo mnote kanisa ya Catholic nonto tukuritura ngoe bwaga sana ni bishop Salesius Mugambi na nende tukuona twina mutana wetu unge awetwa bishop Jackson Murugara na ito ucokeria Murungu nkatho nonto atwira yete kanisa ene I a servant of the people
na boba kiaria Kristo bange baraba kuyete mamburene ya ukujira kwa muro kwa bishop bariwa
atogweretio muno muthenya jwa narua nonto bakuya gukungwira gukunuro kwa Reverend Jackson Murugara musikabu wetu omweru wa diocese ya Meru itugwiregira kugwirirwa matunda yawe twataka tuona ura musikabu mukuru our right Reverend Salesius Mugambi lalo tutithite bobwega
mete Cathedral Parish ya Antune Preaus nikwirigira bishop umweru agatutongoria bwega na tukethira twine tukiringe tagarire riega ya Kristo nya ingwetekerinya na betu bonde bakinyirwa ni Kristo no tubotongoria bishop umweru tureta a Kristo ba Preaus ya Antune itweregerete agetekerio twa Paris yetu enjeru ya Antune
oni mbumera bakirinyaga na Meru inkunda umeta it's my original land kunda igwa ndena gekena kuona bishop Mugambi akuona mutetheria kwa juta kwau ikuga nguge Murungu geta na mbere bwega na ateriterwo nguge mono na kuringana na tumeaka ora twitaitite at least na kubataraga mutetheria jou kwau igekena mono kuona bishop Jackson akweja na ndagute agokunurwa na nguge geta na mbere twite na mbere na kutungatira Murungu na kumutetheria kire nguge ria kurita
nawe akirikiria Kajuju
na itukomia diocese yetu Meru ikiendelea gukura inyankoroki parish chumba kwethira ikiongeleka inyinge prayers chumba kwethira ikiongeleka inyinge tomba kwethira nyatwe na Kristo baba inge sana bakethira baki diocese yetu Meru ko ibwega mwathani nonto okomba kwethira kwenda seamless transition of power na ito chokenkatho kinyakere His Eminence the Pope nonto bwa kwethira baikarande bakaomba tothurira the coadjutor Bishop Jackson Murugara.
Keripotera Meru TV kuma Mutindo Yokangangi mbeta wa Mwende wala Iboni.
Tugeta na mbere ni ati kanju ya mangabana ni barikiti na gwetana muchemanio jo Mpui muchemanio jo jweregeri gwe kwa ntuko ya Jumaa ya kiume giki moroto jo muchemanio jo iri gutegera manto kathomba je giembecha kana budgeti ire ithagirwa igitumira na gutumwa kiri county shonde cia ndegoro ya Kenya kuringana na kanju izi bugite bakethera bagitegera manto kathomba bari okuria mbunge ya Senate gutezaniria itagaria ria imochia mbecha ira chigukinyira county gweta na mbere na kugitangwa rorero kana bubu bumenye na umo kana na mukaririgite wa kanju ya mangabana urenwe governor wa county ya Wajir ujikaneta Hamed Abdullahi orekete na gutumiria ntumirize ekuga ati mangabana bonde bakethera bagicemania ntukweu ya Njuma ya kimegigi.
So we're asking the Senate not to accept this bill. We're asking the Senate to pass the one that we had agreed. There's a protracted engagement that happens before we come to this stage of passing laws. We appear before Senate, we negotiate with the CRA, right? So I don't know who had an interest in fast-tracking the National Assembly bill as against the one of the Senate. Yeah. So we're asking the Senate to stand firm and pass the bill that we had agreed with them, because we appeared before the Senate. We appeared at IBEC. We discussed these things in IBEC. We agreed. There is, under the World Bank, a project called Kenya Informal Sector Improvement Program, KISIP. They have reduced it from 10.4 billion to 1.7 billion. And in KISIP, nearly all the counties are participating. There are many counties that are participating. So when you divide 1.7 billion among the counties, and by the way, this is mostly road improvement works and things to do with, what are they called? Solar street lights and pavement improvements in major informal settlements across the country, which have already been contracted. So, National Assembly just passed the County Government's Additional Allocation Act. First of all, we were shocked that there were two bills that were originated by either houses, by the two houses of Parliament. Senate had originated a bill, and National Assembly originated another bill. We have been discussing this issue at Summit and at IBEC, that the year is coming to an end, and the County Additional Allocation Act has not been passed. Development partners who fund a lot of these projects, a lot of this funding in the County Additional Allocation Act are frustrated. We had taken a position as a Council of Governors that constitutionally only two types of roads are recognized: national trunk roads and county roads. So if you're going to tax Kenyans at the pump for the maintenance of roads, it's only fair that we follow the Constitution and give national government its share of those maintenance funds and give counties their share.
Kongera kuna ati Bishop wa kanisa ya AIPCA kire diocese ya Meru na Kinyathira kanithiro izekene eta Joshua Kiranja Ntoingai narombete governor wa county ya Meru Reverend Mutumanto Ithingia gutigira na gutongeria county ya Meru na Umurungu. Nkoroki Bishop Ntoingai nethiritwe akiromba governor Mutuma gutigira na gucokeria vision ya 2040 ya county ya Meru nikenda county ya Meru ikethirwo ikigwatira witi na mbere na gweta na mbere na gukura. Jeff enore na rogono
kuinka yake nyuma ya Mutumanto Ithingia kunywa muma na kwa gavana wa Meru Bishop Kiranja Ntongai na muriti otongeria bwawe ni bwithire bwina mwanya ju munene na bwakawira mwangaza na kinya nkuruki ethire akitheria rietora kanisa nuntu kawira mwangaza na arethirite akiria kanga rukobu nene
kwenda tumenye araturari tukinya Meru ria tutara kawira gavana ari bishop itwerigite Meru itaboya sana na yitho ina heshima ya antu bapurugu thati kanisa nwelindi antu na bageta bwega lakini kulingana na mambo ya gavana alikuwa atumaira ya marumi kuruma atongere bangi kiburi wichogeria ni twetere aibu nyingi sana na ije maita maingi uite irinjo akere kunyoro Meru county itukwenda koroba nende nontu mwathani otethia we Reverend Mutuma ukwoyete kara bishop nukwenda butura etete uitithie Meru mwanka antu bone mbishe kanisa ndene Meru county na bone utongeria wa church ndene Meru county
niare kinya Bishop Ujo wa Meru ni diocese akuromba ngwataniro gatigati gatongeria nandi na kuga urumwe na ngwataniro nibyo bikareta witi na mbere aja county ya Meru.
Tuwa political leaders inkominya MCAs beto bafanya kazi ngumu sana abunge beto wa Meru bonde ibara ichiumite muno ntura tonere tukumakinira chibitagirite iturachiumite sana ntuba kanisa abunge beto seneta beto kitu kama hiyo kuona Meru taboya tukuroba nende nontu Mutuma kuya tumuwate ni baru nikenda kwamba kulitangwe boya kitu moyo tonga miaka 3 miaka wetierele at least Meru yone ngui ite sarakasi yone ngui ite ndimbo kilingwene yone ngui ite kura kita kuruma nganto bange yone ngui ite kwa anybody kila mtu yote awe maskini au tajiri na kwa heshima ndene ya Meru county.
Iromba ya Bishop Ujo nande kire atongere bagi siasa ni kuriukia kiroto kia Vision 2040
tokwa na revolution rai ni kipindi kia bitatu ontu ngabano mbere tawa munya na iti nguira tu ndene Meru county iko na barabara yetu ya Malaysia ya lami na munyare kuma kreito ya na to andikire vision ya 2040 ura Meru ikethirwe kari ratota making the Meru great nandi kuroba the incoming governor na kinya kreito ndingi kona ari na rumwe ura watongeria ba Meru bara nene ura chukumanite nikenda Meru yumbo choka antu aya vision ile andikia 2040 ichokero nikenda Meru at least kinyare bati ukinya miaka utwitite
bubwe bwakenda bwe 10 Bishop Ujo ugito tongere bakawira iburathirire niontu bakwithire na rwikumiro rwingi na kinyankuruki kulega gutia tongeria bangi
Meru yetu yatere mwerekera ni yata direction nontu botongere barwikumio muntu anenkero opportunity murungu nkai agatukire mwathani ndeu akaria kiburi akaria kifua na akaria kiruma antu bangi na kwa nebara atari china antu bangi mwathani akagwa opportunity tewa muntu mbere kwa opportunity kwibanga akiangurukie ku na kwa na wakawira ni funzo kwa viongozi wote withoe kiongozi wa kanisa withoe mutongeri nthiguru withoe whoever mwathani akwa opportunity mitumire na njira heshima nontu ni funzo kwa viongozi wengine okire kiburi mwathani akwa na kiburi akwa leadership ambo tunya ume bura bonde okathithia nyamba thabu thongi bukawa mbere metho yantu na kuginya nthiguru so bara bothe baikanya kwa tongeri nthiguru tu itari withoe MCA withoe whoever ika kiburi nthe athantu amurikume tiwa muntu mbere kwa thanthi tukiya nthini ya thawa athanthi na heshima antu bange na kiburi ishe tuheshimu watu wengine.
Kiripotera Meru TV mbita Jeff Wagitumam.
Togeta na mbere na ripoti yetu ni ati akari amana atori bantere chia Kemeringa na kithima agia Kamincha entere chia thirugaiti ni betheta bakiguneka na nkuruki gutetheka na miti ya kwanda ira bethire bakiewa ni umukoro uri ukuromba giti kia mujumbe entere chia Gembe South wichikene ta Mwenda Muzarendo aria bethire bakirobeta na mbere na kwanda miti zikiri kithima je ethanjire gutigira ati ni bakumenyera na nkuruki gutetheria manto jegire Ntereji Mureithi waba na ethirwo akigwatanira na gikundi kiki na kutubanganira riboti ithingatirite.
Akari na turi bakemiringa batethekete ane na miti ya kwanda nyuma ya ramare cia Mithika Mzalendo wikinyano na kuringa rugojirwo kwanda miti aria batigirite kithima kiria kiji kirajaga kamincha nikianditwe miti na gikang'ana.
Rwaretwo yega kwanda miti ndene ya ndila kiswampi chemchemisi yetu cia rui nigenda tumba utunza mazingira yetu. Nditanguye na Pan African Climate Justice Alliance take kundi kia kithi gene ndene ya ulimwengu na mantu ya utunza mazingira mbakilishite mtu witawa Dr. Mithika Mzalendo taora withera wi mwandiki mnene wa gikundi kiu.
Na ndia kariba batongeretwe ni antu bara bakaragia kitete magiki ni baugite atibo bagakaria miti na njirera yumbika yonde ni kenda ikagwata na yumbe kubaruje
kenda twana miti na miti twa jako mianda tukandikiranye muntu wa miture arwe nyambu ya garagwa kunia kenda miti kura ningwetigeria twina ikundi getu githoki na ari ti buru gweti batu tugete andu ba itwe batu ikundi getu gikirigete national park
so miti twa mekaria na tukamekaria kabisa na mutijora junde twareterwa tukameki sure mutijo ujwe sawa na yugakura
miti no matwatetheka atia miti ndukwira kucharo wingie badro kumatoka tukongele kilimo zetu na tuongela kulima no tuketa mbera tukianda nyinto bya maana na tukava midinyana betu
wakashment ne nene ni ikankruki idandatu ina area nene sana ninkuromba no ntumitete ngana na tuongere na tutegere kaire inyakithana kundiru na ikundi mwanya na nikenda urarenda tuthithia masingira jaomba kubwa piu na tukaigwa turi amwe na itukuigwa tuwiritwe
na lasia mbai mori yo na Mzalendo na twere mete ya bambu mingi muno na itwandire mere mora na keolu na ithimene bya byonto ekilili sionkuma na kilito na kokuo onthe kindani location tumeandite sana na kinya boka live ithima bibiro kwena area je ibimenyeri bonene ko bobonge na gwankuwa mete ya tuteithia zaidi no twakwethira atiri mete kawataroje utero yoro gaithara gweta na riua kana rwiro ithima bietu bitenga renge no turoro gaithara kunekeri
nkorukira mariji cia Mithika Mzalendo ikiringa rugoci guntu gukugwita waja kemiringa ne baugite mitire turaga kukuire etwira kunywa ruje gukuiji kana ja menywa ruwe kana mithanduko ne baterwo kugwatwo ne gakurwa yonthe nuntu bakwithura ije ne kwenyangia na ne ugwati botoro bwa muntu
no to sheria ne kerokerwa ni implementation ye itira hoja kanya kandi barombe no to rende rera to thukete no to mete ekorwa rende ta kurwa iba implement sheria na batumire kanya karaya kao muntu endara mutote kuri bakikisha mete okorwa no to rende utonete mutethio ogurete mete ngine ya kureplaceira ko to tema kureplaceira ngine na kenyu nyaroje ene okariroje irenge ne okura bambuwe kariroje no eucalyptus ne ke konyoroje rora ko u to teme akotha tukianda mete yokariroje retu irenge ne ke komnya ithima ko u ni boja kanya kau no to be ibo na mamlaka na bena kanya go kutumira sheria kugethi gukandamisha kana kuwata ura wenthe uremi kurutangwira na bongo be na power ko tu raia na tu aringi kura ba Meru na tu bara bongo ba ita ushuru bara ushuru kenda bare wa na bo ba tushuligire na njire mo kana rengi
tutunza mazingira haya tu tuyanda mite wetu bambu ni era yotethia sana kubwithia environment yetu na itukuria kinya government of Meru na kinya thirikari nene batu atua promote muti yoyo wetu bambu no tu yoyo ayo tethia kumenyera rera letu ngirukie mitira ingi muti yoyo wetu bambu yena matumishi ya maingi muno wombo yo tumira njira nyingi muno kinya woka kuthithia mantu ya maingi muno no yo tumira muno sana muti yoyo wetu bambu na Pan African itongeretu ni Dr. Mzalendo ni kuulia thirikari ya county government of Meru na kinya thirikari yu nene tuinde tuunge mkono upromote muti yoyo wetu bambu nikienda tutunza mazingira itukuulia pia batu wati kienda tulita miti wetu eucalyptus ye minyoro yo meti ithima bietu no ntulwale tukaria kwanda mite ikumenyera ithima bietu onto bambui tugiwa twaringa miaka ile thatu ithima bila turona roi tubiguthira na tutiona ko kultarwe kinyaro kurema na ikatugendelea uteseka tuli antu ba nini bande
Mulithi wa banki ripotera Meru TV ku maja mirigone ya Igembe kia Melinga Athiru.
Kiri ripoti inge mutegeri wa nteto cia Meru TV ni ati mutongeri wa Mugonga Daktari William Ruto muthenya jana harua akiaria na ithirito akiuga ati thirikari yawe igetana mbere na gukiria na nkoroki kuigika kithomo akiariria mantu jegie mbeca ira citagirwo cikinenkirwo aritoba university ira cikikeneta help ira ugite ni ciambiritwe na kunenkanirwa kana ni ciambiririe kunenkanirwa kuma njuma ya kiumia kithuruna no citete na mbere na kwithirwo cigitonya kiri aritoba Ruto akwarite jaja kagite na kare akunenkira chata university ya Riara kiri mambura jaraja kukarindene ikulu nene rais kiri mushie cha Nairobi.
And the universities fund. And as I promised last week, HELP released 1.5 billion last Friday, and yesterday an additional 4.5 billion, bringing the total disbursement to 6 billion for students upkeep. So far, HELP has disbursed 36.6 billion in tuition and upkeep loans, benefiting 418,000 university students and 233,000 trainees in TVET institutions for the year 2024-2025 financial year. It is important, these numbers are important for us to appreciate where our education and funding is. I have disclosed before that by the end of 2022, our public universities had accumulated debts exceeding 120 billion, with 23 of them struggling and on the verge of bankruptcy. However, through determined collaboration, we have developed and implemented interventions to strengthen university governance, democratize their revenue streams, and implement cost-cutting measures. The competence-based curriculum model equips learners with practical and relevant skills, ensuring they transition seamlessly into well-prepared professionals and entrepreneurs ready to power our economy. I want to assure parents that the government has made all the necessary arrangements and the Ministry of Education is well seized of all the necessary infrastructure, human resource, and materials for learning.
We are churning into the market nearly 1 million people coming from different stages of education into the labor market. But then opportunities for employment is not expanding fast enough. The public sector cannot absorb most of the people coming from these institutions. That's why the private sector needs to be the direction that we need to expand. The private sector must be expanded so that it can be able to absorb many of our people who are coming from higher institutions of learning.
My husband and I feel a deep sense of gratitude, knowing that we have served our country well, and thousands, even millions of Kenyans have been impacted by the Riara Group. In this regard, please accept our heartfelt and sincere gratitude. Your Excellency, sir, for accepting to award a charter to Riara University.
Kere ripoti ingi ni ati mutongeria kana munene wa minister Ajan Thiguru Musalia Mudavadi nethiritwe agitongeria gikaro na bamwe batongere kuma Thiguru ya Netherlands ili njira imwe gutigira ni bakurikithia ucore gatigati ka Thiguru ya Kenya na Thiguru ya Netherlands. Kiri mantu jamwe jaraja kwaragirwa kire muchamano jojo ni amwe na ucore biashara na Kenya gutagira mantu boigie ndawa cia mbogita gatigati ka Thiguru ici cio ijire na nkuruki gutigira mantu zegizo karia nebo kuongereka na kurikithwa katikati ka Thiguru ya Kenya na Thiguru ya Netherlands.
We held in-depth discussions on ways of enhancing economic cooperation and shared ideas on new opportunities to elevate trade relations between our two countries. I am pleased to note that Dutch companies continue to have high preference to invest in Kenya, as demonstrated by over 90 Dutch investors accompanying His Majesty the King. There will be numerous activities during the visit for the business delegation to assess the opportunities for investing in Kenya and form important linkages with the Kenyan counterparts. You may wish to know that other than the visiting teams, there are 150 Dutch companies.
Your country is full of opportunity, driven by a dynamic young population that has the potential to play a transformative role in shaping Kenya's and Africa's growth in the years to come. It is important to tap into this potential, and it's important to listen to young people's concerns. The Netherlands is eager to work with you to promote sustainable trade and development, to tackle shared security challenges, to champion our common values on the global stage. And this is a partnership of opportunity, a partnership for prosperity, a partnership for our shared security, stability, a partnership for the future. So let's continue building this future together. Asanteni sana, thank you very much.
The issue of drug trafficking, and we are not trying to say she's guilty or not guilty other than what we have as a record from the judicial process in Vietnam. So ours is not about a judgment, but working on that basis. If we want to also send a clear message as a country, we need to be careful that Kenyans who are stepping out into the diaspora do not fall into the trap of engaging in any illegal activities. It's absolutely important that this is taken. We want responsible Kenyans at home, and we equally want responsible Kenyans in the diaspora, in whatever country you are in. We have been at the forefront in promoting bilateral labor agreements, trade, also focusing on responsible mobility of labor and so forth. We've been talking to these things.
We share many similarities that make our partnership a natural fit. Both our countries are outward-looking, trade-oriented, driven by entrepreneurial spirit. We are both regional hubs in our parts of the world, Kenya in East Africa and the Netherlands in Europe. And we both value sustainability and innovation. Kenya is leading in renewable energy, while the Netherlands is known for its expertise in sustained agriculture and water management. And we both believe in multilateral cooperation, the rules-based international order, as my colleague already mentioned, respect for international law. And we actively contribute to peacekeeping, conflict resolution, and having a strong voice on issues like climate change and human rights.
Tagari wanted Meru TV utuko ripoti uyegi ochore pa Thiguru ya Kenya na Thiguru ya Netherlands nego tukinyiria muthia Joanteto chetu itanambere na gukenera mibango ya Meru TV woni bambetaga Dennis Mutuma Muthomi.